Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make green gram dosa and ginger chutney. Wash and soak 1 cup of green gram and 2 tablespoons of raw rice in water overnight. Now drain the water and grind it along with 1-inch piece of ginger, 2 green chillies, 8 shallots or small onions, 1 sprig of curry leaves, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida powder and a little salt. Add sufficient water and blend this into a smooth batter. It should be in the consistency of dosa batter. Heat 2 teaspoons of oil in a thick bottomed pan over medium flame and saute 1 cup of finely chopped onion, half a cup of finely chopped carrot and a little salt. When the onion turns translucent, turn off the flame. Add half a cup of finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix well and keep it aside. Heat a dosa tawa over low flame and grease it with oil. Pour 1 ladle of batter and spread it out into thin dosa. Place onion carrot mixture in 1/2 of the dosa. Drizzle 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Roast it on low flame. When it becomes crispy, fold it and take it out. Do the same process for the remaining batter. Now let us see how to make ginger chutney. Heat 1 teaspoon of oil in a thick bottomed pan over medium flame and saute 2 tablespoons of gram dal and 1 tablespoon of urad dal. When it turns light brown, add 4 red chillies. Saute this for some time. Now take it out and keep it aside. Now in the same pan, heat 2 teaspoons of oil and saute 1 finely chopped onion, 3 tablespoons of chopped ginger and a small gooseberry sized tamarind. When the onion turns translucent, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Saute this for a few seconds and turn off the flame. Allow it to cool and grind it along with the roasted dal, 1 tablespoon of crushed jaggery and a little salt. Add a little water and grind this into a fine paste. Heat 1 teaspoon of oil in a pan and add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When it splutters, add 1 red chilli and a few curry leaves. Saute this for some time and turn off the flame. Now add this into the chutney. Serve green gram dosa with ginger chutney. Please try it out and post your feedback.